We're going to work out. These are the two ladies with me. One is my wife and the other is my daughter there. We're going to the stair now. And I tour you inside the gym when we get there.
Make sure you don't vlog in the locker room, right? This no camera, no phone allowed.
This is the swimming pool. In this gym you can swim if you like. It's included in the membership. And then when you go in, you're gonna swipe your membership card.
Yeah, they're gonna complain.
Like this.
But he said, okay, make sure you're actually recording.
Huh?
Make sure you're actually. I didn't get the concept.
We go down the stair. And then another stair going down there.
This is what. This is also if you want to try it.
And going down again.
Just sit down like this.
Going to the basketball court. This one going to those machine over here. There's a machine from here. This is the cycling. This is what I call the leg, they call it leg extension, where you can exercise your legs. This is one of my favorite. It says leg extension or leg curl. See how the thing look like. I'll do that. I'll do up to 60 pounds sometimes. There's a lot of machine, different machine here. There's a room over there too, going to another, some more machine. You have to sanitize your equipment after you work out. You have to make sure you wipe your equipment. I do the barbell at home because I'll do it every day. I can do up to 50 and the 8 pounds, the 10 pounds up to 40, and the 15 pounds up to 5 pounds. I am up to 5 only because that's 15 pounds already. I usually do that. Treadmill first, but my daughter like to do the lift weight first. Now let's go to the treadmill. I like do that first, so we go up the stair again. Going up again and I like do the treadmill first. See, 2 stairs where I go up again there. That's where the boys locker room and girls locker room. You can also steam bath there if you like. Over here, these facilities get canteen where you can eat here. Where you can join some dancing here, dancing exercise. This is where the treadmill is.